Welcome. If you've only ever read a generic daily horoscope, this might surprise you. Astrology is a precise, ancient science. Today, we're going to dive into the mathematical architecture of your specific birth chart. Long before fridge magnet predictions, this discipline was utilized by the first medical professionals to diagnose patients, and by visionaries like psychologist Carl Jung, who mapped the psyche of his clients using these exact charting techniques. In high-stakes tech environments, specific dates are chosen with precision. Comparing Sam Altman's personal chart with the launch of ChatGPT-5 reveals the type of timing alignments that traditional electional astrology was built for. Over the next 6 minutes, I am going to teach you how to bypass the surface level of this art. We will locate your specific chart Helmsman, the primary actor driving your path, and identify the central arena of your life story. Step 1 is gathering your data. To participate, you need your date of birth, your exact place of birth, and your precise time of birth. If you don't know your exact birth time, do not guess. The math behind these charts is incredibly specific, and guessing even a few minutes off breaks the geometry. Take a moment to verify your time before we proceed. This birth chart is a 12-section wheel of planetary glyphs. Look at the pulsing sun symbol, your core identity and vitality. But for timed astrology, we start at the eastern horizon at birth. That left side point is your ascendant, dictating all 12 houses. Finding your ascendant moves you past basic personality traits. It locks in the true starting point of your horoscope, creating a timeline and a structure that is mathematically unique to you. Now that you have your ascendant, we need to find its ruler. In ancient astrology, every sign is governed by a specific planet. For this system, we strictly use traditional planetary rulers. This means we ignore the modern outer planets, Pluto, Uranus, and Neptune, and focus entirely on the visible planets used by the old masters. This table shows the traditional pairings. If you have Aries or Scorpio rising, your ruling planet is Mars. If you have Capricorn or Aquarius, you look to Saturn. Find your sign in the left column to identify your ruling planet on the right. That specific planet acts as the helmsman of your chart. It's the lead actor driving your decisions and the persona you present to the world. Next, we place that lead actor onto a stage. The wheel is divided into 12 numbered sections called houses, representing different life arenas. Scan your chart for your ruling planet's symbol. Once spotted, note the number assigned to that specific slice. That house shows where your life's energy naturally flows. It is the physical environment where your personal story keeps returning, and where your major life events concentrate. Now we synthesize the data. You create your baseline story by combining your ruling planet's inherent psychological drive with the physical environment of the house it sits in. Planets on the left are motivations. Mars is drive, Mercury is mind. Houses on the right are locations. First is physical self, fourth is home. For example, Sun, vitality, plus the sixth house, work, equals a life driven by routine and healing. To make this easy, I've put a complete vocabulary cheat sheet in the description below. Find your planet, find your house, and combine your specific keywords. While a chart contains many players, this single thread, the sign on your horizon and its ruler, is the most personal. It provides the initial baseline for your character and the specific arena where your attention will naturally return throughout your life. By doing this work, you bypass the superficial layers of pop astrology. You've decoded the actual structural foundation of your personal chart. The cosmos is dynamic, and this chart is a conversation, not a cage. Knowing your helmsman gives you the map and the steering wheel, allowing you to intelligently and consciously navigate your own path. I want to know what you discovered. Drop down to the comments and declare your rising sign, your ruling planet, and the house it sits in. Let's see the unique configurations we have watching today. If you need help generating your chart, check the links in the description for tools or to reach out for a deep dive counseling session. Until next time, stay curious and under good stars.